Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make blue spirulina powder. Let's dive into the simple steps to create this vibrant ingredient right at home. You'll learn about the key components and the basic process to transform green spirulina into its beautiful blue counterpart. It's easier than you might think to achieve this stunning natural color for your culinary creations. To start, you'll need high-quality green spirulina powder. Look for a reputable source to ensure purity and safety. Next, combine 1 part spirulina powder with 10 parts distilled water in a clean container. This ratio is crucial for effective extraction. Stir the mixture well until the spirulina is fully dispersed, creating a uniform suspension. Now for the magic. Carefully filter your spirulina mixture through a fine mesh or several layers of cheesecloth. The goal is to separate the blue liquid, which holds the valuable phycocyanin, from the green solids. Once you have your blue liquid, gently dry it using a dehydrator or oven at a very low temperature, ideally below 115 degrees Fahrenheit, until it becomes a fine powder. Once completely dry, store your beautiful blue spirulina powder in an airtight container away from direct light and moisture to maintain its potency and vibrant color. It's perfect for naturally coloring smoothies, lattes, desserts, and even frostings. And speaking of freshness, if your car needs a little pick-me-up, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your colorful creations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.